Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope everything is fine at your end. Welcome to my channel, Sai Spiritual Healing. I just wanted to complete this Universal Laws series so that I can start with the next new series. Today, I would be sharing a short explanation on the next universal law, that is the law of polarity. The law of polarity says that everything in life has an opposite: good and evil, love and fear, warmth and cold. The key is understanding these are all two sides of the same coin. The law of polarity is the principle that everything has two poles: good and evil, love and hate, attraction and disconnection. Think of the north and the south pole on a globe, or a battery with its negative and positive terminals. Everything in the universe has an opposite, and everything is dual. Now, how would you transform your life with the law of polarity? I have given a short explanation what it means exactly, but how are you going to use that in your daily life? How are you going to transform your life? It's a powerful law, that is the law of polarity, which is a tool we can use to change our mindsets. When we understand there is a positive to every negative, we can choose to focus on the positive. When we get stuck in a negative rut, it can be hard to see that there is any other way of looking at the world. If you are lonely or unhappy with your career or feeling unfulfilled, you probably focus on these things. These negative thoughts always seem to be followed by negative events in your life, which reinforces the negative thoughts. It's a seemingly endless cycle, but if you make an effort from your end, you can break it. To master the law of polarity and apply it to every facet of your life, you must first correct your underlying limiting beliefs. If you're unhappy in your job, you focus all your energy on finding a new job. On the surface, you're focusing on the positive and trying to achieve your goals. However, if you haven't dug deep enough to identify the underlying limiting beliefs for your distress, perhaps fear of failure or a belief that don't deserve happiness, you will continue to attract unsatisfying jobs. So, first of all, you have to change your perception, your beliefs, and focus more on the positives rather than the negatives. And if you focus more on the positives, you will be manifesting positive things in your life. You won't be attracting the negatives. So, this is how you have to use this law of polarity in your day to day life. And certainly, once you start practicing it, you will automatically see the results. And if you keep thinking of the negatives or the things you don't have, so you will be attracting those only, you will be manifesting those only. Many of us are living in this dual consciousness reality where we are swinging between extremes, causing a state of unrest in our lives. However, this duality only exists in the physical and the mental realms of the universe. It doesn't exist in the spiritual realm where everything is one. We can transform our realities from hate to love, from dark to light, and so on by consciously raising our vibrations, which is known in the ancient Hermetic teachings as the art of polarization. By focusing always on the oneness, that is, one all, that is the powerful God or the great spirit, whatever you like to call it, and putting that behind every thought, statement, and action, and always finding the good in life even when things appear to be not so good, you will be able to rise above the law of polarity and find the middle path of balance and peace. Like in normal life, we say that if we do not face the problems or the darkness, you will never understand the light, the happiness. In the same way, if you do not feel the warmth, you will also not be able to understand the importance of cold. So, in the normal world, there are two extremes, but in the spiritual world, everything is one. I hope you can understand. It's a short explanation. I'm not going very deep into it because it will become a very big video. So if you have any doubts, you can always ask me. Please share and subscribe to my videos if you like them, and press the bell icon to get the daily updates. You get the notifications whenever I update a video. And thank you all to motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you all.